What are you doing with your feet?
Bounder.
You trying to get comfy?
Bounder, yeah.
Me and your grandpa do that.
Bounder.
Me and your grandpa do that. You say hi?
Yeah, well, there you
Hello.
Certainly in a lot better shape than our old home.
Hello.
Much nicer paint job. No bullet holes in the door. That was a nightmare. Huh?
Me and grandpa do that too.
And whenever I hit a red light, I used to pray when crap out on me.
I guess Breaking Bad is inappropriate for us to be watching, isn't it?
Suddenly would sometimes have
You don't seem to mind.
screeching sound that just
You don't seem to mind.
pack of cats. Power steering belt. That's what that was.
You don't know.
No, I always had this
You don't know. Get that hand out of your mouth.
strategy. Not let it idle too low. Remember the
You
time
show
when
Grandpa
I had
your
gas coming back from a cook-
your eyebrows. Show Grandpa your
I
eyebrows.
said half full, so you had to walk.
Can you do Grandpa and Mommy eyebrows?
While I waited on the side of the road praying the whole time that no cop would show.
There you go.
Samaritan.
And Grandpa feet. Yeah.
Why we keep it? No, why we have to have the world's shittiest star beat? Inertia.
You like your hands? You like your hands?
Inertia.
You like your hands? You silly? Ooh. Huh? You're very serious right now.
Sorry, I gotta get going. Yeah, just meet up with some friends. I gotta get going as well.
You following the camera? Oh.
I left something for you.
With these feet. Okay. Wow.